What's up everyone, welcome to Young Studio, and in this video we are going to do Changquan 32. Now Changquan 32 is the fundamental of Changquan or long fist. Changquan or long fist basically the combination of many northern style kung fu like Fanjichuan, Chachuan and Tantui. Changquan movement is flexible, is powerful, graceful, fast, and we use a lot of kicks, jump kicks in Changquan. So in this video I will gladly share with you guys how to do Changquan 32 in Wushu Taolu. So without any further ado, let's go. Alright, so now let's break down the moves. First we're going to do cut. Alright, Kanjang. So ready? Make sure you are ready. Inhale and then slowly. Once you're here, you're going to do something like cut. Right? So this is Kanjang. Right? So from ready position, 1, look at back. Once your hand reach this point, you're going to do cut. Alright? Repeat. Cut. Alright, so now for the next move, we're going to do 1. You're going to move backward like this, okay? Into ball stance. Alright, so once your hand reach here, you're going to cut and then move backward at the same time. Alright. Alright, so you're cutting and move backward at the same time. Okay, repeat. Alright, so that's the first move, alright? The second move, we're going to do something like this. So once you're in ball stance position, you're going to, alright, do something like this. Alright, from here, the right hand is going to do something like this. This is what we call Liang Zhang. Alright, and then this one we're going to do Go, something like this. The hook. Alright, something like this. Alright, and then you're going to look to the left. Yeah, alright, so from ready position, 1, 2, 3, and then do the empty stance. You don't need to you don't need to bend too much, okay? Just standard. Like this is already enough, alright? Or like this, it's already enough. You don't need to bend too much, okay? Too low. Alright, so let's repeat the move. 1, cut. 2, go inside, Liang Zhang, go, empty stance, look at the left. Alright, so that's the second move. Alright, let's repeat. 1, 2, alright. The third move, we're going to do TC from here. This up to down, down to up, right? And then we do TC. This is the third move. And then number 4, we're going to do 3 steps forward, right? 1, and then your hand is already like this. Right? 1, 2, you're going to open your shoulder, your chest, alright? The third move, you're going to go from up. So we're going to do this. Right, do something like this, alright? So from here, 1, 2, take 3 steps, and then go up, then, right? You have to slam it. strong. Alright. Alright. That's the fourth move, okay? So let's repeat the movement. Alright, the first section. Alright, now for the next section, we're going to do the classic Ma Pu Kung Fu Chung Chuan or horse stance to ball stance. Now from this position, we're going to doing what we call elbow block. Alright? Block and then punch. Now this is what we call Li Chuan, right? Li Chuan, something like this. So not this one, but this one. In this position. Alright, this is the classic one. And then the next move is going to be Tan Thuai. So we do Tan Thuai. Alright, backward. Backward. And from this position, now, this, we're going to do Ma Pu Chung Chuan. So we're going to do something like this. Alright. And then from here, we're going to do Ge Ta Kung Fu Chung Chuan. Right. And then next Tan Thuai. So as you guys can see that you really need a good flexibility in doing good Chang Chuan movement. Alright. So next we're going to do go. Right. So go. From here, you're going to push down, and then this one is go, this hook, right? Right, something like this. And you don't need to do this, but you guys gotta know that this is the characteristic of Chang Chuan, okay? The hook, right? Okay, something like this, alright? Alright, so let's repeat the movement. Once again, from here, Ge Ta, Kung Fu Chung Chuan, Tan Thuai, Kung Fu Chung Chuan, Ma Pu Chung Chuan, Ge Ta Kung Fu Chung Chuan, Tan Thuai, and then TC King. Alright, so I hope you guys don't get confused with it, okay? Just enjoy your training, alright? Let's do it one more time. Alright? There. Next move. Alright? So we're going to do something like this. 1, 2. Alright? 1, 2. We're going to move back. Move our body back. Alright? Look at back. Everything is back. So 1, 2. Now from here, we're going to throw our right leg. Right? So it's going to be like this. Right? If you throw it with power, right? With this. Okay? So your leg is going to be like hook. Right? Something like this. Right? From here, 1, 2, 3. Alright? So you guys can practice this move, alright? If you guys not get used to it. This move what we call Da Yao Pu Qian Chuan, or something like that. Right? Something like that. Right? So you're going to throw, you're going to throw everything. Alright? Into up. Okay, 1. Now once you in the air, you're going to move your leg like this, alright? Your left leg is going to be like this, bend like this. So the final position of this Da Yao Pu Qian Chuan is going to be like this. And it's kind of funny. Alright? So, alright? One more time. Right, so I hope you guys got that. Right, that's 大腰虎肩穿. Once you do that, alright, once you do this, alright, from this position you're going to do pupu, pupu, and then do something like this. Alright, here, pupu, here, pupu, and then go. So this is really the characteristic of Changquan. Go, and then from here, Kung Fu Tui Chang. Alright. And then from here, we're going to do Chuan Chang, piercing. Alright. So the pierce is going to be like this. Pierce, pierce. And then Liang Zhang, Ma Bu. Here, Liang Zhang, Ma Bu. Here, Liang Zhang, Ma Bu. After this move, we're going to hook, right? And then do Shi Bu by your hand like this, alright? So elbow block, like this. Up, down, and then Shi Bu. Alright? From here, hook. Đấy.